Goodbye, old fridge. Thank you for always keeping my food cold and not dying on me and just being very reliable. And I appreciate the years you have given me. Hi, friends. Benita with Knitting in the Mitten. I am really into finding ways to use up yarn that's in my stash. And so lately that has meant wraps and shawls. This is the one I was working on last week. So it starts at a point, you just cast on like 3 or 4 stitches and then you just keep increasing. And so I used up a whole bunch of yarn, just small balls of yarn, and then I soon realized it was going to need a lot more yarn. And although I had lots of other small balls of yarn, I needed to use colors that went together. So I ended up grabbing 2 new balls that were in my stash that I didn't really know what I was going to do with. So that's the darker purple and the green here. So anyway, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Most of it's 100% wool, but it's not scratchy. And I did toss it in the washer, which freaked me out a little bit, but I have some wool wash and I put it in on the drain and spin cycle with an extra rinse. So basically, you know, it wasn't in there very long. And it was perfect. So I can wear it lots of different ways, I'm sure. I haven't worn it yet because it just finished drying and it hasn't been super cold. I have this really fun shawl pin that I bought last year. It's just a spiral and you just hook it through the yarn. So that might be one way that I wear it. So anyway, I'm gonna play around with it, and the weather's getting warmer, so I won't have many opportunities to wear it, but next winter when I pull out my winter clothes, I will be super excited to remember that this shawl is in there. All right, now I feel like I'm making one of those videos about, look at all these ways you can wear the scarf. I do have this pin too, which I think maybe is for like a wrap skirt or something, or a kilt, I don't know. But I think that will help keep it in place and make it more comfortable to wear, because if it's moving around, that's not going to make me happy. So I am pretty happy with the finished result. So yay! And then yesterday I started a new one. It's called a boomerang shawl, and there's various boomerang shawl patterns. But I am using this really bright yarn that I bought in Canada at Len's Mills and years ago. And I bought it for a baby sweater potentially, but I just think, I don't know, it seemed a little too busy for that. I don't know if you can tell, it's got kind of a dark red, a bright red, kind of an orangey color. And I don't know, I didn't love it for a baby sweater idea. So I'm gonna make a boomerang shawl and see how that goes. Now, just because I am working on getting through some of my yarn stash doesn't mean I'm not going to buy more yarn. And somebody caught me because I posted on a local, or on a Michigan knitters page, about a whole bunch of beautiful yarn that I found at Community Thrift Store in Paw Paw. I just couldn't leave it there. It was like $2 to $4 a ball, and I'll post a picture on here at the end of the video. But yeah, it was beautiful yarn. A lot of it was 100% wool. I looked up one of the balls online after I got back, and it runs at about $12.99 for a ball, and I got it for $2. So although I don't have a plan for all the yarn right now, I'm excited that I have it, so when I want to use it, it will be there. So yeah, it was a great find.